Ready to draw Kuromi? She's cute, she's cool, and she's ready for you to bring her to life. Let's start. First, draw a large oval shape for the face. Then draw a wide letter V inside. Draw a letter C on the left side. Its mirror image on the other to connect to the bottom part of the face. Draw a zigzag line under the face for the color. And draw a circle on each pointy end. Draw a letter C on the left side and its mirror image on the other side. Draw a small line coming out from each one. Then draw two curved vertical lines for the sides of the body. And draw a horizontal curved line at the bottom for the bottom of the body. Draw two lines coming out from the bottom of the body. And draw a line coming out from each side. Make them shorter than the first two lines. Connect the short line to the longer line with a curve to finish the leg. Draw two small lines coming out from the top left side of the head. Then draw similar lines on the other side. Connect each pair with an upside down letter V to finish the ears. Draw a circle on top of each ear. For the eyes, draw a tilted line and a half oval shape connected to it. Then draw two eyelashes. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a small oval shape for the nose, curve for the mouth, and a half circle connected to it. On the top part of the head, draw an incomplete circle. On the bottom part, draw half a square on each side and connect them together with half a rectangle. Draw two oval shapes inside for the eyes to complete the skull. Draw two curved lines coming out from the side of the body. Then draw a tiny line coming out from each and close them with an upside down letter V to finish the tail. From a final world, now you can draw Kuromi. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.